findings of our comprehensive, thorough, and independent investigation, coupled with the medical examiner's determination that Mr. Gray's death was a homicide, which we received today, has led us to believe that we have probable cause to file criminal charges. Lieutenant Rice, Officer Miller, and Officer Nero failed to establish probable cause for Mr. Gray's arrest, as no crime had been committed by Mr. Gray. Accordingly, Lieutenant Rice, Officer Miller, and Officer Nero illegally arrested Mr. Gray. Officers Miller and Nero then placed Mr. Gray in a seated position and subsequently found a knife clipped to the inside of his pants pocket. The blade of the knife was folded into the handle. The knife was not a switchblade and is lawful under Maryland law. The manner of death, deemed a homicide by the Maryland State Medical Examiner, is believed to be the result of a fatal injury that occurred while Mr. Gray was unrestrained by a seatbelt in the custody of the Baltimore Police Department wagon. To those that are angry, hurt, or have their own experiences of injustice at the hands of police officers, I urge you to channel the energy peacefully as we prosecute this case. I have heard your calls for no justice, no peace. However, your peace is sincerely needed as I work to deliver justice on behalf of Freddie Gray. To the rank and file officers of the Baltimore City Police Department, please know that these accusations of these 6 officers are not an indictment on the entire force.
Hello, this is Creative Images Internet Radio, www.live365.com. Thank you for listening to our station, and we have a special message from the Creative Images Internet Radio musicians. The search for equal justice under the law is as prevalent today as it was 50 years ago in America. We can't continue to sweep under the rug and pretend. Baltimore, Maryland was the home of Supreme Court Justice and fighter for human and civil rights, Thurgood Marshall. May God bless the Freddie Gray family. Modern day lynchings in America by racist criminal gangs that wear police uniforms and run police departments must stop. Those are the ones that need to be in prison. The legal experts have allowed the criminal justice system in America to get worse disproportionately, particularly for those who cannot afford proper legal representation. The sacrifices that lawyers made in the 1960s in America involving human and civil rights in its relationship to the criminal justice system are needed now. The unfairness and unfairnesses are enormous. And that's a message from Creative Images Internet Radio and the Creative Images Internet Radio musicians. Thank you.